In this exercise, we will be looking at similar polygons. We have that if two polygons are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent or have the same measure, and the measures of their corresponding sides are proportional. Here I have a pair of similar figures, similar shapes. These two triangles are similar. We have that their corresponding angles are congruent. We can see that angle B and angle E are congruent right there. We can see that angle F and angle C are congruent or have the same measure. And we can see that angle A and angle D are congruent or have the same measure. The other property says that the measures of their corresponding sides are proportional. So that means that these two corresponding sides, and these two corresponding sides are all in proportion. We're going to be using those properties to solve these exercises. The first thing to do is to figure out which side is congruent to which side. They tell us that these figures are similar and we have to find the missing side. So we have a parallelogram here. The short sides are 8 and the long sides are 12. So this side corresponds to this side because those are the short sides, and this side corresponds to this side. Those are the long sides. So they say that their corresponding sides are proportional. That means that 8 is to x as 12 is to 3. 12 is to 3. We have a regular proportion now right there, so we know that x is 8 times 3 divided by 12. 8 times 3 is 24 divided by 12 is 2. So we have that this side x is 2. In exercise 10, we have two triangles that are similar, and we're going to be looking for this side right here. So this side must correspond to the long side. This side 5 is between angle 1 and 2 marks. That's 1 and 2 marks. So this side corresponds to this side. And then we would have that the last side, x, corresponds to this side. So now we have the correspondences. We can set up a proportion. I'm going to say, just to use smaller numbers, 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4 as x is to 4.8. X is to 4.8. Have a regular proportion here. I can find the length of x by solving this proportion. X equals 5 times 4.8 divided by 4. This is 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. In this problem, x equals 6.